Welcome back to the CRANEbee tutorial. This video is part of a series where I will show you how you can use CRANEbee. If you're here for this topic, just keep watching. But if you're here for another topic, I've linked all the other videos in a playlist, and the playlist is in the description down below. In this video, I'm going to show you how the CAD interface works. So let's get started. Right, we are back in our job site as usual. And I also started AutoCAD, in my case 2025. I didn't open a new drawing yet, so we can just go ahead and do that. New drawing. And I want to make sure that I have my units set to something that is not unitless. So meter is fine, millimeter is fine, as well as inches and feet. Unitless will not work with CRANEbee. So let's make sure we have meters set. And meters decimal looking fine, okay. And you see this is just a blank drawing, nothing in there, no template, nothing really. I just set my units. So let's go back to CRANEbee. And in CRANEbee we now have a few options. I currently have the GMK 6400 selected, and I'm also in the crane tab for this crane. And I can go ahead, I can click Send to CAD. This will ask me if I want to activate the CAD interface, because it's currently not active, and I say yes. And what it will do is it will send this crane to CAD. It's gonna take a second. And it's done. Like I said, a second. So this is the one crane I sent in. But if that's not enough, I can also go back to CRANEbee and say job site. And this will send the whole job site now. So you see the CAD interface is currently already on, so it will not ask again. So when I refresh this, it will send the whole job site there. Obviously, it will not send out the stadium and the picture, because those are imported obstacles and are not available as references. But those might be in your drawing anyway. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is going to take a second longer because it's a lot more stuff. And we are done. So you see all my cranes, all my obstacles. Are in there right now. Okay, and this also means that it only shows the stuff that I selected, right? So when I go back to CRANEbee, you see this crane is in there twice. It's also twice in AutoCAD, but the main boom is on the same position. That's why it doesn't look like anything else. So let's put the main boom somewhere else, click on enter, and when I go back to AutoCAD, it's gonna change it. And yeah, it's already done. That's what you might be doing. So it's like a live link to AutoCAD. And it will also update immediately after you change anything. So let's go to the Tadano crane. Let's see this side by side. I'm trying to make do on the screen. So this crane, right, let's put it in 33 meters radius. Possible? Oh yeah. And it's done. Again, let's maybe change the slew angle about 15 degrees. And done, and so on. So as you can see, this is quite fast, but if you keep on adding cranes and more cranes, it will get slower because AutoCAD cannot handle a lot of layers. So we have layers for each crane we put in, several layers actually, and this might slow AutoCAD down. But this heavily depends on your hardware as well. Another thing I want to show, you can see the the Explorer in CRANEbee. When I go ahead and remove one of them, so not remove, just freeze them, you see they are frozen in AutoCAD as well. No house, no Marcel. Just the whole crane. And just as quick it's back. Right. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.